Thank you for tuning into this week's video coming to you from Chastang Ford. Alright, let's talk about when is it time to replace your tires. Tread is obviously the most important thing to look at. A couple things on a tire. Most tires will have these bars across the grooves in the tread. These are called wear bar indicators. Once these are making contact with the pavement, it is definitely time to replace your tires. In the state of Texas, the law states you have to have at least 2 millimeters of tread depth remaining to pass your state inspection. However, most professionals will tell you that 3/32 or 3 millimeters is really the true minimum. There's a couple ways you can measure your tires. Obviously, wear indicators are something you can just see with your eye. You can also use what's known as a tread depth gauge. This gauge will measure the depth of the tires. This one's got colors on it, so it tells us the tire's green, yellow, meaning it's not time to replace them yet, but getting close, and then red, that tire is ready to be replaced. If I were to measure this tire, you will see that the red is showing, which is just below 3 millimeters, and this is on the outside edge. Measure your tire across all your tread grooves, which, as you can see, the middle's worn more than the outside edge. So this tire clearly is not safe to use. Another example, this tire, it's got a lot less miles on it. If we were to measure this tire is still measuring in at the green. Specifically, it's measuring with 10 millimeters left. Again, we'll measure across all the grooves. This one is measuring at 10 as well. This one is measuring at 9. And this inside groove is now yellow, measuring at 6. That's because this vehicle should have had an alignment. While you can pick up one of these tread depth gauges at almost any auto parts store, there's another simple method using a penny. By placing the penny upside down into one of the tread grooves, if you can see all of Abe Lincoln's head, it's time to replace the tire. So on this tire, we're going to put our penny in here, and we cannot see all of Abe Lincoln's head. So the tread depth on this tire is still well within serviceable range. Going to our extreme case over here, we place our penny upside down, and we can see all of Abe Lincoln's head, so this tire definitely needed to be replaced. Thanks for tuning into this week's video. If you have any questions about tires, don't hesitate to give us a call or come on by to Chastang Ford. We'll be happy to help you with any of your questions or tire needs. We do stock all the name brand tires for your Ford vehicle. We're more than happy to help you out. Thanks, and check in next week for our new video.